Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Presentation title is Foundation Practices in Lahore. Here I will brief construction methodology of secant piles. Earth construction systems are of different kinds: secant piles, tangent piles, retaining walls. This is the construction drawing of secant piles. This is a section of the secant piles, in which these are two secondary hard piles. This is soft piles. In soft pile there is no reinforcement. This is the vertical section of soft pile and this is the hard pile. In hard pile the main reinforcement is of number 11, 16 number bars, which is displaying on the section here. 16 number 11 bars, and this is the spiral number 4 at the rate of 75 mm. Here is displaying spiral. This is the stiffener at which the cage is being prepared. Number 6 reinforcement. This is the section of the soft pile. Dia of the pile is 900. This is according to the design requirement. And dia of the pile, length of the pile is according to the cantilever arm of the pile, and it will decide by the geotechnical engineer and the structural engineer. This is the drawing of tangent piles. Tangent piles are coinciding each other with their tangent. This is the section of the tangent pile. This is the vertical section of the tangent pile. This is the spiral. This is main reinforcement 12 number 10 bars. This is the stiffener number 6 bars. This is the drawing of retaining wall. Retaining wall is preferred where open cut has no problem. It is economical rather than secant piles and tangent pile. In Lahore, in many underpasses, retaining wall were executed. Also secant pile, also tangent pile. The recent executed project was Beijing underpass and Jinnah underpass, where the secant pile were constructed. I will brief construction methodology of secant piles. First of all, we will finalize the elevation of the working platform. Then we will lay out on ground center of the piles, and we will lay out the guide beam. After the secant pile, bore roll will be started. Bore roll will be started in sequence 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 number piles. After that secondary piles 3, 7, 11, 15 will be drilled, and after that soft piles 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 will be drilled. As we started the boring of the piles, then steel reinforcement will be prepared at the yard and it will reach to the site. We will lower the reinforcement. After lowering the reinforcement, we will lower the trimmy pipes in the bore, and concrete will start. Concrete will be according to the project specification. Concrete strength will be according to the project specification and requirement, and according to the requirement of the designer. Already I have briefed the sequence of the secondary piles. First we will perform secondary piles. After completion of secondary piles, we will start primary piles. Waste material from drilling will be disposed of from the project site. Pile construction reports will be prepared according to the drilling of each piles. It is the record of whole construction of the pile starting from drilling to the completion of the concrete pouring. These are some snapshots during execution. In Beijing underpass, steel reinforcement is being prepared. This is the temporary stay for preparation of the cages. These are the main reinforcement. Spirals are fixing on the main reinforcement. This is near to completion. This is the completed steel cage, section of the steel cage. This is the ring which I am calling stiffener. At this ring, main reinforcement will be fixed, and after fixing of main reinforcement, spiral will be fixed to the main reinforcement. This is the procedure of drilling. First, we finalize the level, then we will prepare the guide beam. After preparation of guide beam, we will start drilling. Drilling will be in sequence, in alternate sequence, first, fifth, ninth. After that, third, seventh, 11th, and after that we will do soft pile drilling 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. This is the procedure of lowering of reinforcement. Lowering is being done by the crane. This is the procedure of concrete pouring of the piles, secant, tangent iron, and for each kind of pile. Concrete pouring of the pile is carried out through the trimmy pipes. This is the bucket over the trimmy pipes. Concrete of pile will be started from bottom to the top. It will kept in mind that trimmy pipe will remain in concrete. According to project specification, sometimes it is given that 1.5 meter to 2 meter, sometimes to 2.5 meter trimmy pipe will remain in concrete, so that no cold joints will prepare. Cold joints are the joint where some clay material captured in between the concrete, that is dangerous for the piles. Therefore, it is necessary that trimmy pipe will remain in concrete. This is the whole procedure of the secant pile. In Lahore, Beijing underpass, canal side secant piles were executed like this. In Jinnah underpass, secant piles were constructed on the side of canal. Now, these are common practices in underpasses in Lahore. This is the completion of my presentation. I have completely discussed the methodology of construction of secant pile. Thank you.